Hello everybody, I want to show this video you can record the screen at the OnePlus 70 Pro. So there's a built-in screen recorder already, so you don't have to download, so you don't need to download an app for. So just go here to the shortcuts, scroll down a second time, and then you will find on the next page the screen recorder. If you tap it now, you have now that little tool here to record the screen. So first of all, you can go here to the settings. If you're using it for the first time, then you can set up here the resolution and the audio source if you want to have just the internal one, or if you want to have the microphone with the voice and the surroundings and so on. And yeah, and some other stuff you need, so you can have a look there. So and if you're ready with, you can start by pressing the red button here for record, and then the recording is running and it will record all the actions here you're doing on your screen. And if you're ready with, just tap again on this little visible board here to make a pause or to stop it directly. And then you can share it directly, no? Or later you can have it also here at the gallery. It will have at the collections an own folder named screen recorder, so there we have all your screen recordings. So a very nice tool. And if you're ready with later if you want to remove that little tool, just go here on the X and it is disappeared. So later you can have it again if you're pressing here at the shortcuts at screen recorder. So yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. Maybe just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.